The technology is going to be available to everybody. It's the people that's the constraint, right? And so, the war on talent is real. And my wish is that, we become the destination for all those young engineers, the young, the young graduates, and that will revitalize our industry, I believe.
One wish: simplify, make safe food, and protect public health.
The one wish I have for the one thing I look most forward to would be letting go of the engineering mindset that makes things very complex. So moving from an inside-out perspective to an outside-in perspective, to lean into consumer-like technologies and see what added value they could bring to a work environment.
I think that the one wish is to be able to share and collaborate more as an industry of the things that we're working, not working.
I would say to eliminate the errors that happen in operation in particular, and find the way that help operators to do their job, day-to-day job, without almost no errors, error-free, and enhance the quality of your either service or product. That will help you a lot.